The global workplace is changing. People are realizing that they no longer have to be chained to a job they despise and commute daily. Working right out of their home has been a welcome revelation for many and a shock for some. Yes, you can have a global business right from your kitchen table with a company that has over 2 decades of experience to support you. If you are watching this video, chances are you're looking for a way to generate some extra cash flow from the comfort of your own home. Welcome to E1ULife, where people from all over the world, from every socioeconomic background, can learn to leverage the power of the internet using a simple system that does all of the explaining for you. How many do you know that would like a serious second or primary income with minimal risk and unlimited upside potential? Practically everyone is looking. With a simple text message, blast, email, social post, or postcard to a list of people that are interested in making money from home, you could very easily be on your way to commissions of $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 in a single day. How would an extra $2,000 a day, week, or even month change your life? Let's show you how it works. We've constructed a simple yet powerful online business model that eliminated many of the roadblocks to owning your own business. We offer a very low startup cost that anyone can afford. You can keep your full-time job if necessary and no need to invent a product or a website. It's all done for you. The infrastructure and complex behind-the-scenes technical work such as tracking, download, customer and tech support and product fulfillment are also all done for you. Now for the critical part. You get maximum pay of 100% per product sale and you receive it directly. All you do is get the word out to a starving public and tell the story. So, how do you get started? The E1ULife concept is actually remarkably simple. You choose from one of these 6 video education product packages and make your payment. The Elevation package for $30, which includes one opt-in page with templates. The Elevation Elite package for $110. The Vertex package for $275. The Vertex Elite package for $550, where you will be able to customize your own logo, create opt-in and landing pages using our templates, and send marketing emails to your subscribers. Our Vertex Pro package for $1,100 contains over 40 hours of content. And Vertex Live package at $2,500, where we hold live events and is chock full of content. You'll also get a custom web page built for you and all the tools you need to promote your business, including a custom logo, our multi-page funnel system, landing page templates, marketing email templates, complete opt-in pages, and our most valued social media pack. You can see a full-length sample on the Products tab on our homepage. All products are a one-time purchase. Once done, you go to your back office and fill in your payment receivable profile, which is how you'll receive payments from your sales and you're in business. In no time at all, you're ready to start promoting your business. Simply introduce the E1ULife products and concepts to others. Just as you have already done, they choose from one of the 6 video education product packages, all of which are built and maintained by the company for you. They will see your payment options, and when a purchase of a product is made, you keep 100% of the commission of each sale you refer. Plus, you get paid directly and instantly. No going through the company to then pay you commission unless you decide to do so. That's the old way. The E1ULife way is a much more efficient business model. How much can you make? We don't make income claims, but I'll let your imagination soar. Let's choose the $1,100 Vertex Pro package for our example. You make a sale and someone purchases this package for $1,100. Your first sale goes to you, all 100% of it. That's incredible. You've now received your product purchase back with 1 sale. You can't get faster than 1. We then add some leverage so you can build a team. Your second sale rolls up to the first active person above you at that product package as your qualifying sale. Every sale from your third person onward stays with you. Feel free to make many personal sales as you'd like. Now, the power of 1 takes over. You are their team leader, and you can show them this simple system. As a bonus, all sales you keep will also refer their second sale up to you, who will then do the same. Their pass-up sale will go to you. This happens to infinity. All the back-office tracking is done behind the scenes by our world-class tracking technology. This bonus structure is similar to traditional sales teams in corporate America, where the support team benefits as sales are made. We're no different, other than we do it on a micro scale. We're changing the lives of thousands of people just like you with a more efficient business model. You can participate part-time or full-time and grow yourself a global world-class business that you can be proud to call your own. Finally, we think we've made your decision a simple one, but here's a special bonus for you. We've mentioned that E1ULife has 6 product packages. For the action takers who purchase one of the higher-end product packages, we will include all lower-cost product packages and their admin fee at no cost. Plus, no pass-up needed for the complimentary product packages. We've got the digital educational products, we've got the marketing resources, and we've got the global network to help you connect with people all over the world who want to earn that extra cash from home. Discover the power of one. Start now